The rhythmic hum of machines fills the air, a steady heartbeat echoing through vast metallic halls, where rivers of molten chocolate flow like liquid gold under the glow of amber lights. Welcome to the hidden world behind every bar of sweetness you've ever tasted. Inside a chocolate factory, time itself feels suspended. A world where chemistry, craftsmanship, and precision blend to create one of humanity's most beloved pleasures. But what really happens here? It begins long before the chocolate touches your tongue. In the humid jungles of West Africa, where cocoa pods are cut from ancient trees, their bitter seeds the raw essence of future delight. Once harvested, these beans travel thousands of miles to industrial sanctuaries, factories that resemble cathedrals of invention. As the doors close behind you, the scent of roasted cocoa envelops you. Thick, earthy, intoxicating. Beans are sorted, roasted to perfection, each second of heat altering their chemistry, unlocking flavor, deepening aroma. Then comes the grinding, where solid beans transform into a silky paste known as cocoa liquor. It's a delicate dance of heat and pressure, the birthplace of the chocolate we know. Sugar, milk, and cocoa butter merge in vast, gleaming vats. The ingredients kneaded, refined, and tempered with microscopic precision. A few degrees too warm, and the texture collapses. Too cool, and the shine disappears. Every bar, every bite, is the result of molecular discipline. Yet behind this beauty lies science at its purest. Crystallization, emulsification, and fat. Polymorphism, words that define whether chocolate snaps or melts in your mouth. And while modern technology ensures consistency, the soul of chocolate remains human. Skilled workers monitor viscosity, aroma, and texture, their instincts as vital as the machines themselves. Compare this to centuries ago, when the Aztecs revered cacao as a gift from the gods, a bitter drink of power, not pleasure. Today, it has become a global industry worth billions, its sweetness masking stories of labor, precision, and transformation. Every swirl in the factory tells a tale of nature refined, of chaos controlled. As molten chocolate snakes its way into molds, it cools into familiar shapes, symbols of comfort, celebration, even love. Then, with a final shimmer, the bars are wrapped, sealed, and sent out into the world. The end of a journey that began in the heart of a forest. But in truth, the real magic isn't in the taste. It's in the transformation. From seed to sweetness, from bitterness to bliss, chocolate is a story of alchemy, the human desire to turn something raw and wild into art. So next time you unwrap a bar and let it melt slowly on your tongue, ask yourself, what other everyday miracles hide behind the walls of ordinary factories, waiting to be discovered, one bite at a time?